judging like Yo, testing 1 2 3. Today we're watching a bunch of soloists. We just watched Hwasa. Now we're watching Yeonjun from TXT. GGUM. Is it GGUM? GGUM? Hey, you know, when I saw like the choreo for this, oh my god, I see some of my friends already do it with the whole split and everything. My god, of course you Yeonjun would actually do this. Your choreo would do this. Oh my god, it looks hella difficult, first of all, but I'm not gonna try it. You should try it. Oh, it is wet out there. Oh, he wet. Hold up. Why he wet like this? Have a effing nice day. Dang, he dripping. Hold up. Who did this to you? I mean, I know it's hot in Korea, but god damn. Right? Like, I bet. He can't be staring at me all. Oh. What the fuck? That transition was kind of crazy. I don't think so. Oh, what an interesting. Is that his voice like made like smaller?
Oh my god.
Okay, that stare down was kind of intimidating. What the hell? Ah! Homegirl is judging like yo, big old boots and that gum. This looks like a rose.
Oh my god.
Yo, he wildin'. Whoa. GGUM, is that how you say? Is it like chomp chomp? Does it? How come it kind of reminds me of One Piece a little bit, like Luffy's attack. Get it. I will never try this choreo because I think I'll break my pelvis. Ooh, hey. Oh, did they do it? Oh, this is totally different from the one that he's been promoting, huh? The choreo. Because they're doing like a whole little like holding the nuts type of move.
What?
Oh, GGUM. I like how weird this is too. Like in a good way. Ooh. He on one. What the hell?
Oh my god.
Ooh, my boy looking good. Oh, sorry. Am I too loud? I might be a little bit too loud. I'm so sorry. But look, he look good. Show me that again. That's my bias, y'all. That's my TXT bias right there. Damn, cut. Oh, he wet himself up. My boy. You know what you doing, right? How y'all? How is we supposed to survive like this? Nah, hit that GGUM. Damn, he spit in my face. All right, y'all, you ready? Whoa. This might have been a dumb idea. Now I got a wet face. Hold up. Now I'm all like sprayed with water. Damn. Hey. Oh, this is the one. Oh, that looked badass with the edit. Woo. Hey. Hey, man, he grabbing hard. Hey, 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 hey. Gum, GGUM. Ah, yeah, yeah. God damn, Yeonjun. Bruh, he is on one right now. Well, let's go. Hey. Okay. Damn, they're dragging his ass out. See ya. A homegirl going through it. The whole staff is going through it. Damn. Pop. Crazy. Yo, Yeonjun. That's crazy. That was fire. That was fire. Got him from the dance, from the song. The song is really catchy. I didn't know what I thought about the song, like, personally, when I heard it through, like, TikTok. I was like, okay. But with the whole music video, his facials, he be serving facials. I don't know if people talking about that. Choreography? Bruh. Holy shit. I'm gonna have to, like, rewatch this over and over again. This shit fire, bro. The fact that it's 2 minutes and 43 seconds. We need more. Anyways, put a comment down below what you guys think. Oh, my God. I just sprayed myself with water. I might do a different, like, take of this, but... Hold up. Is that like a physical album or something like that? It's just a single, right? Shout out to Yeonjun. Guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at JREAMERS, Twitch, live stream at Drake Gaming. Join the Discord, link in the description. Go stream. Go stream. GGUM. Go support him. Go support Yeonjun. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Drake. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Drake Gaming. I'm there every day.